In this video, we will discuss social science history part, Swadeshi movement. Yesterday, we discussed one question, consequences or effect of Swadeshi movement. In this video, we will discuss contribution of Swadeshi movement. Either of the two, contribution or consequences. Either of the two questions will come. One question is sure to come in the examination. Therefore, attention please, and try to prepare this question. Contribution of Swadeshi movement. Political knowledge. Political knowledge regarding mass movement. This is the first contribution of the Swadeshi movement. People realized through this movement that they could achieve anything through mass movement. They came to know the strength of mass movement through Swadeshi movement. This is the first contribution of Swadeshi movement. Next is outlook of the INC was changed. Till that time, Congress followed a policy of prayer and petition, but due to Swadeshi movement, they started following. They changed their policy. The outlook of the Congress changed, and it shifted to you see. It started adopted another policy, mass movement, and it is applied. It is began to apply strength in the movement in for its demand. Previously, Congress thought that prayer and petition will do, but after this movement, they changed their outlook and they applied strength. They applied the strength of mass movement. Next is economic and industrial development. The leaders of Swadeshi movement made a clarion call for the use of Swadeshi. Everything indigenous, be Indian, buy Indian, was the slogan of this movement. Therefore, it became necessary for manufacturing Swadeshi goods. Therefore, so many industries were set up. Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy set up one factory, Bengal Chemicals, and you see Jamshedji Tata set up one iron factory, small industries for preparing matchbox, biscuits, for preparing soap, for preparing mustard oil, where you see established this way, and an environment of one creative environment was there in the country. Demand for Swaraj. It was for the first time that people realized that they should have Swaraj in their country, and this movement made the people demand for Swaraj. People started making demand for Swaraj. This is one contribution of these Indian women. Also joined politics. There was political consciousness among the Indian women, Sarla Devi Chaudhurini, Sister Nivedita, and you see the mother of Bhupendranath Datta, the editor of Bhupendranath Datta was the editor of Jugantar, one newspaper. When he was tortured by the police for publishing one article, he was his mother did not shed tears. Rather, she started one mass movement organizing the women. This way, there was a consciousness, political consciousness among the women. And you see, this movement, last contribution is that this movement gave birth to armed rebellion. People realized the strength of arm. They realized that policy of begging, prayer and petition will not do, and therefore they started armed rebellion. This way, these are the contribution of Swadeshi movement. I think you can understand this explanation. And page number 16, history part, social science. This answer is there. Whenever you listen to this video, watch this video, please read this book also. Thank you. Very important question. Like and comment if you watch it on YouTube or Facebook, wherever. Thank you.